No freaking way. Okay, so FMP weekly video number 1. I am Emily Andrews from BTA, and we started our FMP final major project, and I'm doing the SAD Club. Okay, but SAD Club, basically, I'm going to introduce it. SAD Club is about some teenagers, a lot of teenagers actually, all experiencing like relatively relatable and like kind of depressing, but like you're like, oh, I've experienced that, that's fine, like things. So like being in the wrong friend group, like you're not feeling yourself in that friend group, or like having cancer as one of the characters, or being overworked. Like there's one character where he's like being overworked so much with swimming that he's just not happy anymore. But they all have to pretend to be happy, like okay. That's why it's called SAD Club. So because they're all like related in some way or another, they've got to pretend to be happy. Yeah. So this week it was so much fun this week. So we actually we did a full read through of the script. So we sat in a circle, and for each like scene we went around, just like gave the characters out for that scene and then just read it out. That was pretty good because each scene it did correspond to each other in a way, but like it only made sense until the end. So it was really nice to like see different people read different characters and multiple characters as well for some people. That's really cool this week. So we got 3 questions for this week. So we've got 2 things that I'm excited for. Number 1, I'm so excited to be in my class. My class is so much fun. Like we all get along so well. Like last week, I'm not even kidding, we generally had like a massive like runabout. We generally talk like, because we were playing games like 2-step tag, which is like you could only move 2 steps tag. That was so much fun because we all felt comfortable with each other. We all, as a class, we all feel comfortable with each other. So I think it's gonna be a really good class that we can create stuff like a little easier than if we were with people that we're not as comfortable with. And then the second thing I'm really excited to see is how this play is going to get staged, because when we were reading it, it was quite strange, I can't lie. But I think once you see it staged, it's going to be really good actually. I'm really excited. The thing we got asked was 2 challenges. My first challenge that I put down is actually being serious throughout the songs that are in our play. So it's like a play with songs in it. It's not a musical, we've been told it's not a musical. But we were reading the lyrics and they are so strange, and I'm not even kidding. Anyway, second challenge that I put down is actually like getting the character that I would like to play in this piece that we've been given. So the character that I would like to play, I correlate to a lot. This is heavy metal, which I do a lot, and she's been put in the wrong friend group, which is something that I have done before as well. But there is a couple of people that would like to go for the same character as well. So I'm actually praying for that, praying for her. And then finally, 2 development points that we need to do for this term actually. So one of them is, for me, I feel like I should not be scared to like write down notes on my script. I really hate writing my script because it doesn't feel neat, but we've been given advice to put it in a binder so that we can add bits of paper in the middle of each page that will correlate, so we can write notes on them and not on a script. And I feel like that's going to help me a lot because I don't normally write notes in my script. I just try and remember it. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I need to learn to not be scared of writing down notes. And then the second thing I need to not develop on is not being scared to rehearse a monologue, because I need to do that because this entire piece is about monologues. Most of them, I think it's only 2 or 3 duologues. So I need to not be scared of rehearsing a monologue because you just can't. Yeah, pretty much it. Anyway, I'm really excited for this time actually.